Hey everyone, it's Welcome this here, and today we're diving into the journey of Cristiano Ronaldo and how he became one of the greatest football players ever. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985 in Madeira, Portugal. Growing up in a poor family, he developed a love for football early. At just 8 years old, he joined Andorinha, a local club, and by the time he was 12, he moved to Lisbon to join Sporting CP's youth academy. Its immense talent quickly became evident. At 16, Ronaldo made his first team debut for Sporting CP, but it was his performance in a friendly match against Manchester United that caught the attention of Sir Alex Ferguson in 2003. At the age of 18, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United for 12 million. Over the next 6 years, he transformed into one of the world's best players, winning 3 Premier League titles and his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. In 2009, he moved to Real Madrid. For a then record transfer of 80 million over years, he became Madrid's all-top scorer, winning 4 Ballon d'Ors and leading the team to 4 Champions League titles. Ronaldo's relentless drive and physical power made him one of the most successful athletes in history. In 2018, he transferred to Juventus, where he continued his success in Italy, winning multiple Serie A titles. Ronaldo returned to Manchester United in 2021 but later moved to Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. In 2022, Ronaldo's dedication to his craft and ability to push through adversity both on and off the field has solidified his legacy as one of the greatest football players ever. His story is a testament to work hard, passion, and unwavering belief in himself. And that's the incredible journey of Cristiano Ronaldo, from his humble beginnings to becoming one of the greatest football players in history. His hard work and dedication continue to inspire millions around the world. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep chasing your dreams just like Ronaldo.